Hello, I'm going to show you how to maximize XP and Horizon Rush events in Forza Horizon 6. If this video helps you, please like it, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so let's earn as much XP as possible. First, make sure you've unlocked the Horizon Rush events through the Wristband Progression System. These events are timed obstacle courses where faster times earn better rewards and help you progress through the campaign. Alright, before you start, choose the racing line that lets you keep the most speed. Don't brake too much, avoid unnecessary handbrake turns, and focus on smooth driving because every second counts toward your final score. If you make a mistake early in the run, don't be afraid to restart. A clean run is usually much faster than trying to recover after crashing into obstacles. Keep replaying the events to improve your split times and earn better star ratings. The better your performance, the faster you'll gain XP and progress toward your next wristband unlock. And that's how you maximize XP in Horizon Rush events in Forza Horizon 6.